Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti and this is the continuation of my previous video, that is how to use replace and replace all methods in automation. Okay, so in that video I've taken the example of SaaStem application. So I've added all the products to the cart, and in the checkout page I've replaced this dollar symbol with empty string, and I've added these two prices and compared with the total price. Okay, and compared with this total price. Okay, so all these things I've explained in my previous video. Okay, so in order to do this, there I've used map method and reduce method. Okay, so you can watch that video. Okay, so in this video I will take the example of Selenium practice. So here I will enter the date of birth. Okay, 12/12/2025, and I will fetch this value, and I will replace hyphen with slash, and I'll compare it with some other value. Okay, okay, let's get started. I've already created this big file, entered the URL. Okay, so no need of username password to this. Let us inspect this date of birth field. It has ID. Let us take DOB. Await page dot fill or page dot locator. This is the locator dot fill. So here, so first we have to take year, then month, then date. Okay, so I've entered this date of birth, and I'll give some weight so we can see that. Await page dot wait for timeout. I'll give some 1 minute of time. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so then after entering the value I want to fetch that value. So how to fetch that value? Using input value method. Okay, and keeping in some variable. So const, we will say date of birth text is equal to await page dot locator. We have the locator DOB. Okay, so we want to get the value, input value, so use input value method. Okay, so if you want to print, let us print and see console.log date of birth text. Okay, so here what we need to do, let us execute till here and we'll see. And it will have hyphen in that, so we will remove hyphen, or we will replace hyphen with slash. And if you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, it entered date of birth. Okay, so and we print it is 2025 hyphen 12 hyphen 12. Okay, so now we will replace hyphen with slash. Okay, so const formatted date, const formatted date of birth is equal to date of birth text dot replace all. Okay, so why I'm using replace all is, so here we have two hyphens. Okay, if it is only one hyphen we could have used hyphen, so since there are two hyphens we are using replace all. Okay, so replacing what? Replacing hyphen. So we want to replace hyphen with slash, so with a single quote put slash. Okay, so we'll print console dot formatted date of birth. Okay, so now we will use assertion. So what assertion? Expect, what we are expecting, we are expecting this formatted date of birth to be within single quote 2025 hyphen 12 hyphen 12. Okay, okay, So let us execute this. Okay, so here we can see the output. I'll scroll up a little. So here it was hyphen, now it we replaced hyphen with slash. Okay, so this is how we use replace and replace all methods in automation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.